Ji. Hi, everyone. Such a large group, and I am so happy, and I really want to welcome each one of you. So thank you so much for joining us, and hello and very good evening to everyone. How are you all? Good? Yeah? I hope, yes. Okay, much love this class. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, so yes, don't worry. We are going to share all the details about material. Before that, I really want to tell you, repeat everything quickly, whatever ma'am said. So whenever we are done with, if you are done with any step, or if you understood the step, you have to show me thumbs up like this, or like this. The yellow thumbs up you can see over here now. So like this, or maybe like this. Okay. If you really want to say something, and if you have any doubt, any problem, please use your fingers and write it down on a chat box, and I will try my best to answer your question. If I miss anyone's, please excuse me. I'm so sorry in advance. So let's start without wasting any time, because I'm very excited. And before I share okay, thank you so much for these appreciations, everyone. Oh, thank you so much. So many appreciations. Today I'm going to have a beautiful sleep, huh? And thank you so much for this. Okay, so let's start. So before I start, I really want to show you what magic we are going to make, huh? In the card. What magic? Okay, so I'm going to show you actually. We are going to make this. This is the card? No. Actually, yes. Do you want to see? This is the card. Can you believe? Okay, you have to believe. See, I did not written anything. I just made some stars just to show you a magic, but you can write after when we are going to start. I will tell you. See, who can see these stars? The beautiful, colorful stars. Who can see these? Everyone? I'm sure that everyone. Okay. So now I'm going to disappear this. Ready? I'm going to disappear this. So just give me a second. And then, where is that? Oh my God. Where is the stars? Can you see now? No? Now again, I'm going to show you. Okay. Okay, just wait. Here we go. It's a magic, don't you think? Okay, so I'm going to show you how I did that. So please look here. And now I'm going to disappear. Nice now. Who like this? Please tell me if you read. And now I'm going to bring it again. See. I'm going to disappear again. Don't you think it's awesome? Yes. Oh my God, so many chat I'm receiving right now. Hi, ma'am. Yeah, awesome. Oh, thank you so much for this appreciation. Oh my God. So who really want to learn this card? Huh? Who really want to make your friends, your relatives, your family members happy? Huh? You can use it. Even you can use in Raksha Bandhan is coming. Come on, you can make this card and give it to your sister or your brother. Or maybe you can use it as a birthday card, anniversary card, parent day card, whatever, teacher's day card, friendship day card, whatever. Okay, so ready? So come on, quickly tell me who really want to learn this. Okay, raise hand, huh, Dev? Okay, let's start without wasting any time. So now I'm going to quickly tell you what exactly we need for this activity, and then we are going to start. Okay, so before that, I really need a little time to adjust my phone so that you all can see everything clearly. So just give me a second. Okay, till then you all can be ready with your material. So many. so many chat. Okay, I'm sure that I'm receiving so much of chat right now. I'm guessing that you all are very happy, huh, to see this magic. Great. Even I'm also very happy to show you that magic. Here we go with a very simple tools we need. Scissor, you need scissor, you need pencil, you need ruler, and you need 2 sheets. A4 sheet I'm using. Okay, so the color combination, it's totally up to you. I'm going to again take black, and this time I'm going to take peach color. So whatever color you want, like red and black, or maybe blue and yellow, or maybe orange and yellow. So it's totally up to you. Whatever sheet you have, whatever colored sheet you have, you can use that. And take A4 sheets. Okay, so 2 different color A4 sheets, pencil, ruler, and scissor. That's it. I hope everyone is ready already. Yes. So let's start. So now what we need to do. Mine is not A4. Okay, it's perfectly fine if you don't have A4 sheet. Then maybe whatever sheet you are using, I will request please use both the sheet. Both the sheets should be having same size. Very important, same size. Okay. See, these both the sheets are equal size. So if you are using different sheets, please try to manage that. Otherwise, it's perfectly fine. Okay, so let's start. Now, the first step, take your first sheet, whatever color you are going to choose, it's totally up to you. Now, keep it in a portrait size. So when we keep our sheet in like this is called portrait, and this is called landscape. Portrait, landscape. Okay, you have to keep it like this. I don't have color paper. No issue. Whatever paper you have, you can do it with that. Okay, see, always remember, this is your learning time. Okay, when you are going to learn it, you can use many more combination. You can make many more cards. So don't worry, try to learn first. Okay, so first of all, we have to fold it from the center like this. I have white paper, no issue. Whatever sheet you have, you can use that. I'm repeating again and again, same thing. So now please try to focus so that we can finish this work, this activity on time. Time management is very important, okay? So I'd always give us opportunity to improve our skills. A4 sheet, I'm using colored A4 sheets. If you don't have colored A4 sheets, whatever sheet you have, you can use that. Even white sheet you can use. And just try to use same sheet, same size sheet. Both the size sheets should be in the same size. Okay. Okay, now after this, fold it from the center. And now take the first layer and fold it again till here. The fold should be exactly on the edges. So please, first you have to look, it should be exactly on these edges and then fold. And if your sheet is little thick, just fold it nicely, press it nicely. Okay, so I'm going to quickly tell you again what I'm going to do. Take your sheet, keep it in a portrait size, fold it from the center. Now fold it like this. Now turn your sheet and you have to fold it again. Again, your folding should be on edges. After all the folding, your paper is going to be look like this. See. Take your sheet, fold it from the center. Lily, I'm going to tell you again, everyone, if you have any doubt, please look here. Take your sheet, keep it in a portrait size, fold it from the center like this, first fold. Now the second one, like this, turn your sheet and fold it again like this. And after all folds, you're going to have this sheet. Okay, now keep your sheet like this. And you can see this crease line. This crease line. So this is going to be open side. This is going to be closed side. And now we are going to have, you need your scale and you need your pencil. Okay. Can you repeat? Can you repeat? Okay, I can. Just quickly, please look here, everyone. Take your A4 sheet, keep it in a portrait size like this. Fold it from this center like this. Then again, take your this part, first layer, and fold it till here. The edges should be like this. Then turn your sheet and again take your this part and edges, just join both the edges and your sheet is going to be look like this. Now take your both the layers like this, both the layers 1 and 2. So I'm calling it layers, okay, 1 and 2. Now you are going to have this crease line. So from this crease line, as you can see, this is going to be a crease line. So I'm going to make lines over here. And it is going to be about ½ inch. So just look here first. First you have to observe, then you have to start. So now, first of all, you have to look here. Okay. So now I'm going to mark after every half inch. Just make a small dot or a small line so that you can know. I hope you all can see these lines. Okay, what I have done, I have taken my ruler and just mark half inches from here. And now we have to make lines till this crease line. Till this crease line, you can see this crease line. So we are going to make lines. Let me tell you that also, then maybe you can start. I hope it's visible. See, please use very light pencil because these lines which we are making right now, it's just for an idea so that we can cut it. Okay, but otherwise there is no use of these lines. So please try to make very light, use very light pencil. Right now I'm using very dark so that you all can see everything clearly. And I'm using black. So I need a little darker, but I will request everyone, please use very light pencil. And because of measurement, you can see each line having equal distance. ½ inch. See. Till this crease line, see, from here to here. Both the layers are here, okay? So only on this close area, you have to make this line. So don't worry, after every step, I'm going to give you a little time. So after making lines, your ½ inch. So all the lines having equal distance, ½ inch. Okay, and please use very light pencil. So Nityanshi, okay dear, stop writing. Please stop writing and focus here. Okay, I'm going to quickly tell you within a second. So you have to focus now. Take your sheet, keep it in a portrait size, hold it from the center like this, then fold it like this, turn and fold like this. After all the folding, your sheet is going to be look like this. Then take your both the layers, make these lines, mark these lines having equal distance, about ½ inch till this crease line, okay? Till this crease line. I hope you can see these crease lines. So I have started from here and going to end over here. And now you have to cut these lines, okay? So take your scissor and cut it very fine. Your cutting should be very sharp. Sharp cutting. You need sharp cutting. Whatever pencil you have, dear, you can use that. I'm telling you, just use very light pencil because this is for just for an idea so that we can cut these lines. Don't worry, I am going to give you little time after all the cutting part. After making lines, you have to cut it. After cutting, you can rub those lines. See, after cutting, your sheet is going to be look like this till this crease line. Yes, I'm waiting. Don't worry. So after all the folds, Sandy, it's a request, stop writing, okay? If you are going to focus, because writing also having a little time, nah? You are wasting your time. So don't waste your time. See, I'm not doing anything. I'm just talking to you all. So don't worry, I'm waiting for you all. Take your time. If you make a mistake, if you made a mistake, see, art always give you that space, that liberty to fix it. Okay, and I have already told you, it's your learning time. It's your learning period. It's your learning time. The 1 hour is going to be your learning time. Okay, so just try to learn. And if you are going to learn it, you can make it again. So if you made a mistake, you can fix it. Don't worry, make it again. Okay, great. I can see many of you are done. Wonderful. And if you made a mistake, it's perfectly fine. We always learn from our mistakes only, okay? So don't worry. You can do it again and again and again. Whatever colored sheet you want, you can use that. Whatever color combination you want, you can use that. So I'm going to show you again. If you made a mistake, if you have any problem, you can write. We can use mixed color. You only need 2 color sheet, dear. Okay, so now what we have done, I'm going to repeat it again. We have kept our sheet like this, fold it from the center, then again like this, fold, then again this fold, okay? And after these 2 folds, I am holding my both the layers like this. So these both sides, I'm calling it layers. So I'm going to hold it like this. We are going to get these crease lines, and with the crease lines, till the crease line, we have made few lines having equal distance, that is ½ inch, okay? And after making those lines, we have cut it. So we have these frills. Okay, now let me tell you, see, we have to manage time also. Okay, so please everyone look here. Now what we need to do, those who are done their work, now hold your sheet like this. Keep it over here. See, these frills are standing right now. Okay, keep it like this. I can see everyone, you all are very busy right now. Great, great, great. Okay, let's start. Okay, so now I'm going to focus on my work. So if you are going to write anything on chat box, it's quite difficult for me to read it. Okay, so please focus. Now what we need to do, very important step. Please look here, everyone. So you have to take, please hold your first strip. I'm going to call these strips. So take your first strip and fold it this side. Then take your another strip and fold it like this side, opposite side. Now another one this side. Now the next one going to be this side. Press it nicely. So like this only we have to fold. I'm still doing the same thing. So if you have any doubt, please look here, everyone. I'm still doing the same thing. One is going to be this side and another one this side. This side, this side, this side, this side, opposite, okay? This, then again, opposite direction, this, opposite, 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 and opposite. Press it nicely so that all the folds will adjust. It is looking nice. Okay, so see, your sheet is going to be look like this. What I have done after cutting these strips, keep it like this and then fold it opposite 1 1 like this. I'm still waiting, so don't worry. Devika done. I have done. Okay, great, Devika. I'm really very impressed. On time, huh? Your speed is good. Trisha also done. Wow. Oh my God, so many chat right now I'm receiving. Done, done, done. Great work, everyone. Wow, I'm impressed, huh? Very good. Very good, very good, very good. Great. Okay, so let's start with another step. So for the next step, you need another sheet. So whatever color sheet you have, you can use that. I hope you are using beautiful color combination. Those who are using white sheet, maybe you can color these strips if you want. Then it will become a colorful, yeah. Okay, now keep it in a portrait size, same portrait size like this, and fold it from the center. Edges should be on the same place. So what I have done, I have taken my sheet, whatever color you are going to choose. Just take your sheet, hold it from the center. Now take your first layer, this one, and fold it again like this. Your edges should be on the same place. So please match both the sides equally and then fold. See, my edges are on perfectly folded. And when you are going to open your folds, you have this crease line and this crease line. Means two crease line you are going to have after this fold. Open your sheet and cut this from this crease line and this crease line. So you will have two strips. Just use that crease line. And now from this crease line. After folding and cutting, you are going to have these two same size strips. Okay, so I have cut it. So so many students are asking for do it again. So I have this small sheet. So I'm going to tell you over here. Please do it in your fair sheet. Okay, so please take your another sheet, A4 size sheet, keep it in a portrait size like this, fold it from the center. Fold it from the center, and now take your first layer and fold it till this crease line. Just join both the crease and edges and just fold. Your paper is going to be look like this. Then you have to open your folds. You will have these two crease line, cut it. Then you have, after cutting, you have these two strips, same size strips. Now what? Now you have to take your sheet, the strip, first one, and we are going to keep it inside of these strips. Okay, how? See, if you are going to look your first strip, there is a gap. So we are going to put it over here like this. See. Now again in the next one also. Just do it very carefully. See. I'm going to do it again over here. So if you are doing the same previous step, don't worry. I'm going to repeat everything again over here. So very carefully, otherwise you will. Okay, slowly. See, from the both side, every strip having a gap. You have to just put this strip, the colored one, inside that. It's quite quite difficult, not difficult, but yes, the paper handling is very important in craft, and right now we are doing craft. So every art need a little practice. So don't worry, just do it slowly. See, I'm done with first side, and see, you can see the result, both the sides. Okay, so if you are writing something on a chat box, please excuse me. Right now, I'm focusing on my work. So I request you, please focus on your work so that we all together finish this work. So I'm going to do it again. So please, if you have any doubt, please look here. Take your strip, and you can see every strip over here having this gap. Okay, so we are going to put it over here like this, but very careful. You have to be very careful. Just do it slowly. It will take time, so don't worry, we have little time. You can use this card in many ways. You can write something, whatever you want to write on these strips, and you can do the magic. Maybe you can write different thing, and then there will be a magic, and I'm sure that you are going to decorate it beautifully. So the decoration part, it's totally up to you how you are going to decorate it more beautifully. Yes, I have used that colorful stars just for you all, but you can make many more different things, like you can paste it something like stones, or you can use glitters for writing something. You can use lines, codes, words for dedicating someone. So it's totally up to you how you are going to use that. Okay, so I'm done with both the sides. You can see the result. I'm going to wait for you all, so don't worry, take your time. It will take time, so don't worry, I'm giving you that time. And if you need more time, don't worry. It's important to learn that, okay? Then only you are going to continue this work after this class. So don't worry. You all are doing wonderful job. And art need a little practice, okay? So I will request everyone to do more and more practice so that you can remember all these steps. Anushka, ma'am, it is easy. Oh, great. Why it is easy? You know that? I will tell you. Because you are focusing on my words and whatever I'm doing right now. Yes, all the steps. So always try to first observe. Okay, then you have to start. Then everything will become very easy to you all. Dave, you have done wonderful job and I really appreciate your color combination. I really like it. And now those who are done, you can show me thumbs up or maybe you can write. And now I'm going to tell you how to do that magic. Okay. So please hold your sheet like this first. Now, if you are going to open, it is going to be open like this, of course. Yes. And now you can write something over here on these strips. And after that, when you are going to hold these two layers and open it slowly. Maybe I'm going to turn my card and then going to show you slowly, slowly. You have to open it. See, it is opening from the back also. Just look this front. I'm going to show you over here. Please look here. So your card is looking like this. You can write, you can make anything, you can paste anything, you can use any stone or anything. Okay. Then what? Turn your card, open it. And when you are going to see your front, see it's disappear. How I'm going to do it again? Now I'm going to bring it again. When you are going to do it like this, see this layer. Here we go. You can see these stars. Just open this layer. Now, if you want to disappear these stars, open like this. Now you really want again those stars or whatever you are going to write, open like this. Disappear like this. Open like this. Your card is looking like this. Now I'm going to hold these two layers and slowly open. See. And now again you want. See. I hope it's clear now. It's easy. I'm doing it again and again. Stars disappear. Again you want, open it. Okay, so I hope it's done. And if not, I'm going to tell you again. Please look here. Your card is looking like this. Okay, so whatever you are going to write or make, it's totally up to you how you are going to decorate it, how you are going to use it. Now, you want to disappear this. Take both the layers and slowly, slowly open it. See. It is going to open slowly. Then you again want those stars. Bring it closer. Open this layer and see, you will have this again. Then again, then again. Okay, so I hope it's done. And your card is ready. You can write something, you can paste something, you can make a heart, or you can write happy birthday or happy Raksha Bandhan, or maybe you can paste pictures, your siblings. Okay, maybe you can paste Rakhi over here. So it's totally up to you how you are going to use that. Okay, okay. You want to know it. Okay, I'm going to repeat it again. See, your card is looking like this. Yes, right now. Now how you are going to do that magic? Just hold these two layers and open it slowly, slowly. If it is not opening, just turn your sheet. I will tell you, just turn your sheet and now slowly, slowly open it. Okay. Now your front is going to be look like this. Now again, you want those things. Again, again, again. Okay, so I'm receiving so many chat that I'm done. It's amazing, wonderful, great. Oh my gosh. So I hope you all have done wonderful job. Now you all can hold your work so that I can see your beautiful card and how you are going to decorate it. Please, whenever you are done with your decoration, please share with us. We all will be very happy to